everyone, welcome to Rocar World, where we bring events to life. My name is Fauzia Davis and I'm excited to introduce you guys to our new YouTube series called PEET, as in P-E-E-T. PEET stands for Personal Experiences, Event Vlogs, and Tours. This is going to be a YouTube series geared towards what I have personally experienced or what other people are experiencing within the events and wedding industry. I'm excited to show you some of the most stunning venues and also to share some tips on how to turn your vision into a reality. In this series, we'll also be talking about other things like event planning, coordination, design, and content creation. What to look out for, what to not do, and all those things. So join me as we explore breathtaking locations, meet talented vendors, and also give you insider advice on how to make your event unforgettable, do's and don'ts, things you can avoid while planning for your wedding, any kind of event, be it's a birthday, graduation, bachelorette party, name it all. So stay tuned. Please go ahead and subscribe, hit notification to be notified when we release our first episode of PEET, and please don't forget to share this with your family and friends so they can come and support us. Thank you, and I wish you well.